I helped win the first job on Upwork in 4 days. Last week I hired a business manager intern with no experience at Lefton Studio. On Monday we set up an Upwork account for her. On Friday she closed the first client for a long-term contract with $25 per hour. My approach to winning jobs on Upwork helped me secure 35 jobs and earn almost $17,000 in the last 7 months. Now, this approach helped Yeva win the first job. The same approach helped my subscriber Israt win the first job. He was one of my first supporters on the channel, but he couldn't get the first contract for a long time. So he contacted me and I helped him to sharpen his cover letter. Soon he landed his first job, and now he is on the track for more. Now you can see that it's field tested on different accounts and working. All you need to do is to copy my template, adapt it and start earning on Upwork. But if you're new here, I'm Anton. On this channel I share the first-hand experience of building successful freelance businesses. So in this video I will show you real examples of how to prepare your account, craft your first cover letter and select the right jobs listings to apply for. Let's start with the profile. We will mainly focus on Yeva's profile since she is in the same situation as many other Upwork newcomers. So, high quality profile picture, concise and eloquent title, video editor with motion design skills, and the description. I asked Yeva to write the first description she would be comfortable with. Important notice that I asked her to be honest but broadcast confidence that she could manage the task. My instruction was not to overthink because she would change it many times. Here is what she brought to the table. I'm a self-taught video editor with a passion for creating engaging and captivating content. I'm confident in my ability to take your raw footage and turn it into a polished professional video that captivates your audience's attention. Whether it's a promotional video, a social media post, or a full-length YouTube episode, I'm dedicated to delivering the best possible result for every project I take on. I'm experienced in Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects. I will fully project manage your brief from start to finish. That's it. Also, she mentioned the set of skills. No portfolio for now, no introduction video. I know that I always insist on adding the intro video and adding something to the portfolio. But this was a kind of experiment in that you could win a job with a good cover letter even with a half-empty account. Alright, our account is up and running. Now is the right time to find a job. We go to the job search bar and type video editor. Here you can see a variety of jobs. I don't have a specific geographical link to some region. My best clients are from the Emirates, Switzerland, the United States, Australia. So you get the idea that you can find good clients all over the world. I'm looking for job listings with an expected hourly rate not less than $20. My primary focus is on business and educational content. That's why I'm not applying to YouTube automation, faceless channels, gaming, and many more. I'm just not good with that type of content. So here is a good one. Let's send the proposal right away. But what kind of cover letter did Yeva use? Good cover letter should be no longer than 100 words. It should take 30-40 seconds for the client to read and not get bored with cliches. It should include a name, compliment if possible, first line, short intro, case studies, methods, and call to action. Here is an example in real time. Hi Sean, I'm Yeva and I would love to make your employee testimonials special. I use the best video editing and motion design practices to create stunning YouTube content. So I'm ready to make your videos more engaging, better structured and well edited. I helped more than 20 YouTube channels increase the quality of their content and reach new audiences. My editing software is Adobe Premiere Pro plus After Effects. Example of long-form video, a link. Example of short, link. I have the idea to make stunning employee testimonials. Let me share some references with you. Best, Yeva. Yeva sent 48 proposals to get the first job. She did it much quicker than I did.